Welcome to the master bedroom that most likely would have belonged to the Bunns during this time period. If you'll notice the paint colors around you, you'll be surprised to know that they are the original colors, as well as the wallpaper being an accurate reproduction of the patterns available during the 1810s and 1835s, which was the time period this house was built. One additional thing about the paint colors is that they were Prussian blue, which is a color meant to represent the wealth of the family. If you'll look to the right, you'll see a men's jacket that was worn during the 1800s. Behind this jacket is a Federal dresser, which was a replica of the furniture used. Beside this dresser, a large pencil post bed, laced with the bedspread, which belonged to Elizabeth Spate Lewis, hand-woven in Roseville, Virginia, at the home of Miss Lewis' great-grandparents, William Semple Ryland and Susan Fleet Ryland. At the foot of the bed, a large log cabin quilt was made by an Edgecombe County resident, Miss Elizabeth Lassett Thorne. Miss Thorne was married at the age of 16 and later died in 1857 at the age of 37. If you look under the bed, you'll see a chamber pot, which is the Bunns' restroom. This pot was taken out by the youngest of the family or the house servant. Near the bed is a door that is connected to the child's room. This door made it easy for Miss Bunn to get to her child in the case of an emergency. Laying on the fireplace is a bed warmer, which was placed under the bed during cold winter nights. Also on the fireplace is a picture of Miss Madia Bunn in her wedding dress. Beside the fireplace is the original cotillion dress worn by Miss Madia Bunn, later known as Miss Kent Battle, that she wore to a dance in Chapel Hill, North Carolina during the 1910s. If you'll look at the portrait, you'll notice it is a picture of a man in spectacles, which is meant to represent what a man would wear during the 1800s. Here we have an antique vanity. The vanity in this time would be similar to the vanity of today. On top we have a soap dish, a cup, and a bowl that would have been used to wash hands and faces. Resting next to the vanity is an umbrella that was used to protect the women from the harsh sun. Many women did not tan during this time and had very fair skin. And the last thing you'll notice is an oval glass display case, which contains hairpins, a Civil War watch chain, fans, and a small amount of jewelry. We hope that you've enjoyed the tour of the Bunns' master bedroom.